Sarah's putting an office in the hallway and not wasting an inch of space.
I've designed these rooms perfectly for my family, but where I've put them may be a surprise. Laundry and mudroom is situated right next to the garage. I have chosen not to put my laundry with direct external access because I wanted to keep that prime location for other rooms of the home. Because we have such wide hallways, I didn't want to waste the hallway and waste that space. So I incorporated my home office desk in the hallway. We still wanted to have a second living area that the kids could use and play in, but was not too far away. So we positioned the rumpus room just tucked around the back of the kitchen so that they're still close by. I can go and help them with their homework, or if they're playing, they're just around the corner.
And I love that you've put the mudroom there, because if you're coming through your garage, you've got your laundry there if you want to drop off your dirty clothes, but it's still all behind one.
It's all in the one
door.
area.
Yeah.
For consistency, I'm using the same floor tile as in my bathrooms, and I'm also using the white penny rounds as my splashback. I've also chosen stone for my bench tops in my laundry because it's practical and durable and very easy to clean. I looked at a few different options, but when I put fresh concrete with my tiles, my cabinetry and my floor tiles, that was my winner because it all worked beautifully together. In my laundry, I've chosen a black sink from Frankie, and that will tie in beautifully with my black tapware.
I love that dark shelving. It's so nice. And it's just a really different finish.
As you know, children, family, 5 people, you need to have a decent sized laundry. So we tried to make it as functional and practical as possible. So I've included 2 drawers here which can fit your laundry baskets with your clothes straight in there. So we've also got a large window in here because it's important for ventilation.
Yes.
Have a window or a door where you can. I am more than happy just to walk down the hallway and out the side door to where my clothesline is. A mudroom needs to be really hardy and hard wearing. It gets a lot of everyday use, and for that reason I'm going to choose from Laminex's wood grain range, and one of my personal favourites is the chalk finish. I love the chalk finish because it doesn't show up fingerprints and it's really easy to clean. For a bit of contrast, above my drawers I'm going to use black birch ply for my open shelves.
We see lots of black elements in the cabinetry introduced in the home office, the mudroom and the linen cupboard. And I love that Sarah thought to include that element because it ties in with everything else in the home. It's really modern, but when combined with those timber and concrete elements, it still fits in with the modern Aussie resort feel that she wanted.
Now this room is a very multi-purpose room. It could be your third living room, it could be a kids' playroom, it could be a home gym, or if you work from home or have clients, it could even be a room that you set up designated for that purpose with its own external door here. But for us, we'll be using it as a kids' room mostly and a third playroom.
So the rumpus room sits in the southeast corner of the home and doesn't get as much natural light as other areas. And I love all the warmth and the texture in the rattan and that rug and that beautiful warm coloured lounge that just shifts the atmosphere in that particular room based on the natural light.
I've also kept no doors here. It's very open because I wanted to take advantage of this hallway space and include that as part of the room. So it gives me an extra 2 meters on my room, and it's just a really open area that also connects to the home office. So we've got our home office here in the house. So because we've got these beautiful wide hallways, to utilize and maximize that, we've incorporated our home office in the hallway. So you feel open, there's lots of room, and I haven't wasted any space. So we've got a nice big area here. It can fit 2 people, 3 people really, even comfortably. And it continues on with the same finishes throughout the home with the Laminex Rural Oak bench top. We've got our Laminex floating shelves above it. which continues on with all our storage cabinetry in the hallway just next to it. The challenge in this space is making open plan living feel cozy and inviting.
Sarah has perfectly blended indoor and outdoor living.
You'll never guess what's behind the pantry doors.